Hi, so this is my second review of Colorpop. I recently purchased some products from the Black Friday sale. I just reviewed the foundation and now I'm going to be doing the No Filter Setting Powder. Um, so I really like this. I noticed immediately it has very good oil control, and also it's very matte, so it's anti-shine powder. Um, the color, I think it only had like 2 or 3 color options, and I picked the lightest one to go with my skin tone since it's winter time. Um, but I really liked it. It blended in very well. It's subtle. It doesn't make you look cakey. It doesn't come out too strong or anything. And what I did was I just put it on a kabuki brush. I've got a elf brush that I paid like $6 for, and I blend it on the brush, blow off the excess, just kind of dust it all over. And it also kind of helps if you put on your too much eyebrow powder or something to just kind of tap over that. Um, Here's what the color looks like. It's kind of like a yellowy. It feels very much like airy. Um, and the only complaint I would have about this is that, so this has a lid on top. It's got like a makeup strainer thing, but obviously you can see it's like completely covered in product at the top, so it doesn't work very well keeping any of that product in there with the strainer. So that's the only complaint I would have, is that it does not hold the product in, and you kind of just have to catch it on the lid. Like there's just a little bit of residue in here, and that's where I put my brush because I don't want to look like a clown when I put on my makeup. But so this is really good. I used it for touch-ups throughout the day, and it usually lasted like a really long time before I had any shine or anything. So I used it at work, I think at like noon, and I didn't have to use it again until probably, I would say like way past work, definitely like 6 or 7 at night before dinner. Um, so I would definitely buy this again. I got it on sale. It was a great price, and I would probably even try out some of their eyeshadows after using this. I've never tried any of their eyeshadows before. But so that's my review on that. This color, if you're wondering, it's called Banana, and it's the No Filter Setting Powder. So this is my first series reviews. If you like what I'm doing, just let me know, and like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.